Hazrat Jabir bin Samura radiyallahu anhu reports, the people of Kufa complained to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu against Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu. And Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu dismissed him and appointed Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu as a chief in his place. They even complained that he did not lead the people well in the prayer. So he sent for him and said, O Abu Ishaq, people think that you do not lead them properly in the prayer. Abu Ishaq said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I lead them in the prayer similar to that of Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and I do not reduce anything of it. I prolong first 2 units while leading them in the Isha prayer and shorten the last 2 units. He said, O Abu Ishaq, this was what I think about you. So he sent one man or many men with him to Kufa so as to ask from the people of Kufa about him. They did not leave any mosque but asked there about him, and all praised him. When they entered the mosque of Bani Abs, one of the men called Osama bin Qatada, with technonym Abu Sada, stood up and said, As you have put us under an oath, I am bound to tell you, Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu does not go with army, does not distribute the war booty equally, and does not do justice in legal verdicts. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I pronounce 3 supplications against you. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if this slave of yours is a liar and has got up only to show off and make the people listen to him, prolong his age, increase his poverty, and put him to trials. Later on, whatever he was asked, he would say, the supplication of Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu against the old man has been approved. Abdul Malik said, Afterwards I saw him, and his eyebrows were overhanging his eyes owing to his old age, and he used to tease the girls and wave at them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 755.